Hello everyone. This is an experiment using an Anker Powerhouse that I purchased, and I was trying to get this fridge, which is a Waeco, to work against the Powerhouse. It's been working now for 3 hours, and it's down 61% from 100% full charge. The fridge was not in use, so the temperature was 26 degrees Celsius, that is, and now it's minus 22 degrees Celsius. And as you can see, there is more hours to go before this power drains completely. Based on the current time lapse, 3 hours gone, 61% charge. This fridge will keep on going for another 3 hours at least. I'm guessing that this powerhouse can run the fridge for a total of 7 hours if fully charged, and I think that's really good. There you go. Hope it's useful.